Namaskar, I am Prakash Astrologer presenting you monthly forecast month of August 2020. All the predictions are based on your moon sign, but you can consider all these predictions according to your Lagna sign as well. So all these predictions are according to Vedic Indian astrology. Sun sign prediction have no relevance with this particular forecast whatsoever. You have to know about your moon sign or you have to know about your ascendant. Then you particularly follow this prediction according to that for all of you. Monthly forecast month of August 2020 for all of you. Aries for this coming month of August. Transit of Venus for Aries in 3rd house, 1st August 2020 till 1st September 2020. Venus is transiting for Aries in 3rd house. When the Venus is transiting in 3rd house, you come across these kind of scenario situations. Transit of Venus in 3rd house from your moon sign. Transit of Venus in 3rd house from your moon sign. When the Venus transits in 3rd house from your moon sign, this donates happiness, contentment for you. When the transit of Venus in 3rd house from your moon sign, you may expect an upward move in your financial condition, giving you financial security. When the transit of moon in 3rd house from your moon sign, you could also professionally very good period for you. You may expect a rise in position. You also gain in authority. When the transit of moon in 3rd house from your moon sign, your ventures are likely to earn more profit as well. Socially, this should be a good timing for you. You're also likely to be overcoming all your fears and worries. Your colleagues and acquaintances would be cooperative and helpful toward you. When the Venus is transiting in 3rd house from your moon sign, you're also likely to be widening your circle of friends and win over your enemies. During this phase of time, your rapport with your own immediate family would be coordinated properly, and with your siblings, you're also likely to enjoy good timing with them. Moreover, when the Venus is transiting in 3rd house from your moon sign, you also indulge in good lifestyle, luxuries. Your interest toward religion would be rising, and auspicious happening may cheer you up as well. Health is likely to be good shape. If you're eligible bachelor, you're also finding a very particular partner, companion. They seem to be good timing with you to find a perfect match with yourself. Some of you are also expecting a new member of the family, and this particular period may not bring any good time period for you. Some of you are also susceptible to face loss in trade and business and finance. Your enemies may create a problem for you during this phase of time. Stay away from all kind of arguments, misunderstanding when the Venus transiting in 3rd house from your moon sign. Transit of Mercury for Aries in 4th house, 2nd August 2020 till 17th August 2020. When the Mercury is transiting for Aries in 4th house, you'll come across these kind of scenario situations. Transit of Mercury in 4th house. When the Mercury is transiting the 4th house from your moon sign, when the Mercury is transiting the 4th house from your moon sign, this time period signifies progression in your every aspect. When the Mercury transits the 4th house on the personal front, you are also likely to be content with yourself. When the Mercury transits in the 4th house, you would succeed and gain in all your undertaking. When the Mercury transits in the 4th house, your status in society will be heightened and you would be honored. When the Mercury transits in the 4th house, financially is a good period, particular phase, and this period indicates attainment of wealth in your form of money or property or wealth or assets or comfort. When the Mercury transits in the 4th house, you may also gain from your spouse or other member of the family. When the Mercury transits in the 4th house at home, this period indicates arrival of the new member of the family. When the Mercury transits in the 4th house, you're also likely to make your family very proud of you. When the Mercury transits in the 4th house, your mere presence in family will bring success to other members of the family. When the Mercury transits in the 4th house, you may also make a new friends who are highly educated and gentle in people, and you'll enjoy their company. When the Mercury is transiting in the 4th house, it will bring a new business avenue to you, and you'll enjoy thoroughly. A new dimension to your professional gain, new dimension to your financial gain, new dimension to your influences in society, in the family, outside the family, both. Transit of Mars in 1st house, 16th August 2020 till 4th October 2020. When Mars is transiting in 1st house, you'll come across these kind of scenario situations. Transit of Mars in 1st house from your moon sign. This mostly, when the Mars is transiting 1st house from your moon sign, this mostly offer you difficulties. This particular period taking you through bumpy road in matter of your business or profession or career. You may find it difficult to finish your project successfully on time. It's better not to start anything new this phase of time. If you employer, try to avoid any kind of arguments or misunderstanding with your seniors, employer, government authorities. When the Mars is transiting in first house, some of you also see a change of your position during this phase of time. When the Mars is transiting in first house, keep a close eye on your enemies. They may create a problem for you at this particular phase of scenario. When the Mars is transiting in first house, your finances would also require proper attention. You're likely to lose some undesired expenses. Cut down on your urges to spend money. This period also bring in ample opportunity or reason to travel. Moreover, this period could also be keeping you away from nearest or dearest one. Those who are married may have to stay away from your spouse or family. If any, your health needs proper attention during this phase of time. You're also likely to feel lackluster and be unenthusiastic about anything in your life. You're also likely to be susceptible to developing a fever. Some health issues related to blood or stomach can be there. Stay away from sharp weapons, fire, poisonous animals, and from anything that will create risk to your life. Transit of Sun in 5th house for Aries, 16th August 2020 till 16th September 2020. When the Sun is transiting in 5th house Aries, you'll come across these kind of scenario situations. Transit of Sun in 5th house from your moon sign. This particular time when the Sun is transiting 5th house from your moon sign, this mostly denotes a period of financial challenges, complication, decline in peace of mind. On the homework front, you have to have extra care not to get into bad books of your seniors. When the Sun is transit 5th house from moon sign, avoid any argument with your employer or senior staff at workplace. You have to deal with some obstacle which would be related to competitor authorities, people you have unfriendly relationship with. If you express your mental anxiety, you're likely to lose goodwill amongst the friends and family. Health would require attention. You feel sick and lethargic. Mental anguish, fear and restlessness may cast their spell on you, make you prone to offend by others. You also become unstable in your temperament. Issues related to family members become more matter of concern. Avoid discussing anything at this time. You're likely to cause disagreement between you and the family. Transit of Mercury in 5th house, 17th August 2020 till 2nd September 2020. When the Mercury is transiting in 5th house, you'll come across these kind of scenario situations. Transit of Mercury in 5th house from your moon sign. Now, the transit of Mercury in 5th house from your moon sign, during this particular period when the Mercury moves through 5th house from your moon sign, this mostly indicated troubled personal life. During this particular period when the Mercury transit for 5th house from the moon sign, this time period you must try and avoid getting involved in any kind of argument with your family members or life partner, or refrain from that. Try to avoid any kind of argument with your family members or life partner or family. If you're a married person, your husband or wife should not have any living conflict. Avoid that, even with your children. When the Mercury transit in the 5th house, this is not a conducive period for you to be headstrong, highly opinionated. Well, every time you express your opinion, while you're dealing with family members or friends, it will not be welcomed. People will not welcome your headstrong opinion. People will oppose you. When the Mercury is transit in 5th house, you have to be extra careful while you're handling your loved one. Verbally, mannerism, attitude, behavior, word of speech. Health could be the matter of concern at this particular point of time. Take care of your food intake. When the Mercury is to the 5th house, you're likely to suffer from health issues. Body heat can be more than you expected. Do not undertake any activity which would put a risk to yourself. When the Mercury transit in the 5th house, mentally you may feel agitated and drained out. When the Mercury transit in the 5th house, this period also give you some pain and leading to much discomfort. When the Mercury transit in the 5th house, this also occur some troublesome time, difficult circumstances in the work front. When the Mercury transit 5th house, if you're a student, you need to be more determined and focused in your studies to avoid any kind of distraction. Make sure you should be focused, especially if you are taking any qualification, any professional qualification and technical qualification. When the Mercury transit 5th house, you have to be more focused and you got to be more determined in order to be achieving the best result. When the Mercury transit in 5th house. Thanks for watching this monthly video. Would you like to know more about what this coming month is going to bring for you regarding your job, business, profession, career, financial backing. Would you like to know how you're going to do in this coming month regarding your romantic life, love life? Would you like to know more about the events happening in this coming month? Would you like to have some guidance regarding your decision-making strategies or choices-making strategies and how you can resolve your problems, complications, hassles, obstacles, waste of time, delays in this coming month? If your answer is yes, then what you're waiting for? Please get your very thorough Moon Sign Monthly Horoscope Report on the video as well as written. And do visit my website, prakashastrologer.com. I want your best in this coming month. I want you to achieve the best in this coming month.